for stories and sharing, not for medical advice. So if today's topic hits something personal, please ask your own doctor and not your aunties on the mic. Okay, game na. Let's talk real life, real midlife.
Hi everyone, I'm Auntie Belle.
Hi, I'm Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie Time!
So we're starting off with who we are. Sinong auntie mo?
Yes.
Sino nga ba tayo?
Ay, hindi ko yung ano.
Napaka-irrelevant naman natin, di ba? Para
No,
nandito
nice ka.
tayo. So pakilala na natin yung sarili
Okay.
natin. You go first, Auntie Karen.
Okay, ako si Auntie Karen. A mother of 2 grown boys, married for 28 years.
Wow.
Yes, 28 years. And currently, I am an executive director in one of the most prominent restaurant organizations in the Philippines. And I'm also heavily involved in Philippine sports. Ako yung Dragon Lady of Philippine sports. Ikaw, ano ka?
Yes, I know. Dragon Lady.
Yes.
Ako ay isa lang namang corporate girly.
Yes.
Corporate girly. Ano pa ba? A foodie. I'm a mom as well of a 17-year-old boy. And then also happily married. For wag na natin itanong, baka ma-question ng asawa ko kung tama. Because hindi ko memorize. I think wag na natin
Brain
pag-usap.
fog. Ang
Yes.
tawag dyan, ante.
So that's that. Introduce yourself with a twist. With a twist kasi, 3 words na hindi mag-a-agree yung mga nakakilala sa atin. Ano yon? Sige
Ako,
nga.
word number 1. Ay, words ba?
Word lang, te.
Mabait. Oh,
Bait.
hindi mag-agree ang mga kakilala ko, but I know I am mabait.
Sige, pwede
Oh,
na
ikaw
din.
naman, anong word mo?
Ha? Explain mo daw further. Kasi para sa akin, malayo yung mabait sa maldita.
Oo, mabait ako. Ewan ko. Basta alam ko mabait ako in my heart.
Okay, so number 2, moving on to the word number 2.
Ano ba sa akin? People know me as Mataray, but galit lang ako sa tanga, tsaka sa bobo. So pag natarayan ko,
So mag-agree lahat dyan. So dapat ka mag-disagree, ante.
ano ba dapat?
Dapat word na magdi-disagree yung mga kilala mo.
Na malumanay ako?
Oo.
Malumanay ako.
Hindi ka malumanay. te.
Malumanay ako. I think.
Hindi,
sometimes.
hindi talaga.
Okay.
So third.
Mabait, malumanay, at saka tahimik. Oh! I like tahimik lately. In the past year, I enjoy spending time with myself. Kaya tahimik ako. Siyempre, I'm having conversation with myself lang. O, ikaw naman.
Okay, first word. Punctual ako.
Ay, nako! Diyos ko, Lord! No! Oh my God, no!
Pero sa totoo lang, walang personalan. Kahit pamilya ko, hindi ako nagiging punctual. Hindi naman matagal. No, minutes lang
Oy,
naman.
minsan...
So, wali kayo special. Lahat kayo pantay-pantay. Late ako lahat sa inyo. Walang special treatment. Lahat kayo.
Okay.
So, yan.
Sige.
Number 2 na word is introverted, I think.
You're not. You organize everything from the theme to the food at pag hindi kami sumunod doon.
Oo, hindi nga ako introverted kasi mahilig akong mag-get together to gather all my friends together. That's
Yes.
why Auntie Karen and I are still together
Yes.
because since college,
Yes.
since college, we're together until now. Kasi nga, I keep everybody together.
Yes.
Nangungulit ako.
You are the Velcro. You are the glue.
Nangungulit ako sa lahat.
Yes, yes.
Now, we really have to get together. We really have to see each other. Diba?
Trueness.
So, hindi rin ako
Hindi
introverted.
ka introverted.
Tama naman yun.
Oo, hindi ka introverted.
Ano pa? Another word about me na hindi maniniwala ang ibang kong kakilala is, I'm so wild! Hindi ba ako wild?
Saan? Prudential guarantee ka, ante?
Hindi naman. Hindi lang ako, ano ba yon? Hindi ako yung tipong gagawa ng bagay na nangunguna. Titignan ko muna yung ibang mga tao, how they do it,
Mm.
and then how they fail,
Mm.
and then I laugh, And then I'll copy it eventually.
Yes,
Yun. Kung
that's
ano
so
man yung
you.
wildness nila. No, to be honest, no, nauna na ako sa inyong maglasing, magtaka sa mga kotse, lumabas during our time, gimmick-gimmick pa yung uso nun eh. So, tatakas kami, itatakas ko yung kotse, pupunta kami sa mga bars, at 16, te. Sana
16,
nanonood yung
oo.
anak ko. At 16, inuman na. And then, uuwi kaming lasing. But, when I turn 19,
College, oo.
wala na.
Oo.
Nauna na ako eh.
Tsaka nauna ka
na
sa,
ako sa
alam mo, naalala mo
inuman.
yung uso ngayon na center ang hati.
Oo,
Tapos banat na banat. Nauna ka doon, girl.
Nauna ako doon. Wala lang,
Mid-90s pa lang.
wala sa timing
Ang
lang.
hati niya sa
Ngayon lang
gitna.
sila nakakahabol.
Yes.
Oo,
After,
nag-trend setting
yes,
tayo
30
doon.
years.
Correct.
Yes.
So, yun na nga. We've known each other for...
Since mid-90s.
Yeah.
Sa school,
Okay.
ka-block kita.
Correct. Classmates tayo.
Classmates tayo, first year.
Kasama natin ng maraming... buong half of the
halos,
class
oo.
actually magkakasama.
Magkakasama tayo. Pero what stuck to us was,
Ay, alam mo rin
alam
to.
natin yan.
Unang-una pa lang, nagkasundo kaming lahat dahil sa
Panlalait.
panlalait. Yun lang. Yun talaga.
We love
Yung mga
panglalait.
tinitignan namin, yung mga ano lang naman.
Kasi sa school
mga
namin,
fashion choices ng mga
sa
tao.
school namin, meron kaming tambayan doon. We call it lanay.
Correct.
Uupo doon, kundi sa classroom. Uupo ka, tapos lahat ng students, dadaan doon.
Ayun.
Titignan mo.
Sa mga fashion choices nila. Yun, doon kami
Tumba doon
nag-bond.
yung babaeng yan.
Doon kami nag-bond. Bakit nga nag-start? I came up with the idea to ask Karen to do a podcast about perimenopause and menopause because I was going through a lot of changes in my body for the past 2 months and I couldn't figure it out what's going on with me. So I kept asking my friends, different sets of friends, if they're going through that. So because I felt sad din. Parang na-depressed din ako for a while na I couldn't do a lot of things. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, ba't di na lang tayo mag-podcast about it? Because so people can help,
Yes.
can be informed about these things. Kasi ako, wala akong a lot of
Tama.
knowledge about it. And to get the support system.
Yes. That's right. Kasi ako, when you first mentioned it to me, I'm like, bakit nga ba hindi? Because I have yet, the past few months or the past year or two that I have been researching sa YouTube, sa TikTok, sa Spotify, I have yet to find this conversation
In
from
the
Gen X woman
Philippines.
in a Philippine setting. Yung
Correct.
voice of a Filipina, who
Kasi
would-
I heard perimenopause and menopause, it's a cultural thing din eh.
Yes,
It's not just
yes. So,
physical.
while it's universal, it's a blessing to be in this place, in this transitional phase, because it means we are living long enough
to reach the stage.
to reach this stage. Science proved na ang women's health is just about childbearing years. Pero hindi pa kasi tumatanda tayo this long to have an intensive and extensive medical research, really, on this. And this is not just in the Philippines, but more so in the Western countries.
Yeah.
Which, yun ang mga podcast that I listen to.
Correct.
Pero-
So, that's why na-convince ka
Yeah.
to
We need to advocate for ourselves, start the conversation na, because when they say, because by the way, I'm very proud to say, I am 50. I'm very happy. I've embraced it. Pero para,
wala naman sa itsura natin.
again. Pero sinasabi ko kasi, para if we don't advocate for ourselves, who will?
Correct.
Diba? And I spend most of my adult life mentoring young women that
Yeah,
nobody
especially
takes
in
care of
sports.
us but ourselves.
Right.
Nobody will advocate for us but ourselves.
So, essentially, yan yung driving force.
Ito yung driving
Kaya
force
ka
na,
na
I wanna talk
agree.
about it. I'm not
Oo.
scared. I'm not scared because, sabi ko nga sa kanya, mag-podcast tayo regardless if this gain traction or not. This would be a legacy project, a passion project for us.
us.
So that young women of yung mga millennials and Gen Z,
Mga
and
millennial
general-
titas
Gen
that will go
Alpha.
through this also. In terms of your health right now, do you think you're healthier, you know what to do with your health right now as opposed to before. Kasi nung bata tayo, ante, kung ano-anong pinagagawa natin
Wala
na parang
namang calorie
feeling
counting
natin.
nung bata tayo. Wala naman
Correct.
tayong mindfulness.
Mga diet, mga deficit na
Calorie
yan.
deficit. Wala namang
Wala namang
ganon.
ganon.
Although, I have to say, I've always been active all my life.
Yes, that I know.
So,
Athletic ka eh.
athletic ako. And maybe, I got in myself into sports. Unknowingly, my parents really see me as batang kiti-kiti eh. So, they have to get me into sports. So, I'll be so tired. That
Para?
para
Talagang
lang
pinagod ka
mag-drugs
nila.
ba? Parang bakit, may isip ba
But parang na-affect ka pa din. Charot. Hindi, joke lang.
You know, before, I think, I was into sports, I felt, to be sexy. And then I realized, when you're young, it's effortless to be sexy. Kasi, automatic na sa katawan mo yun eh. Very little, I mean, I'll eat less, I'll work out, I'll get the waistline that I want. Right now, no more. I work out simply because I know it's an investment for my old lady body. Because I want a quality of life when I'm 70 or 80 like my mom. Like, I want to enjoy my twilight years with my grandkids, not be a burden to my family by breaking my hip.
Somehow that's related to your perimenopausal stage. But
Yes.
what we're saying is, yung gusto mong
Sabihin
i-impart
dun sa 20.
sa younger self mo or even in the younger audiences na nakikinig sa atin, ang take-away ko na sinabi mo, ante, is create that habit of exercising.
Not to be sexy, but
Not
to be strong.
sexy, just to be strong. And kasi yun din naman yung gagawin mo
Exactly.
to the stage. Is
Mag-invest
that
ka na.
tama
The
ba?
sooner you invest
Oo.
physically, because
Kasi
cliche
habit
as it
yan
may
eh.
sound.
Kung ngayon mo lang siya gagawin,
strong is the new
mahihirapan ka
sexy.
eh.
It's not
Correct.
skinny is the new sexy. It's strong.
Correct.
To be a strong woman mentally and physically.
So yun.
Is the new
So
sexy.
it's really that. Kailangan ma-create na yung habit na yan, bata ka pa lang.
Health-wise. I mean, I try to my best to eat well, supplement well, work out well. But there will still be morning where I just feel like shit. Diba? Parang ang sakit ng katawan
Yes,
ko.
nafe-feel ko rin yan.
Kahit na mindful tayo sa sleep hygiene. Gusto ko at least 7 hours, 8 hours.
Pero nagigising pa rin tayo in the
Na
middle
mga
of the
3 o'clock
night.
in the morning. Why am I awake?
It's still part of perimenopausal
So siguro
stage,
sa batang babae ko rin, enjoy nyo yung sleep and create that healthy
Habit.
sleeping hygiene and habit.
Correct. I agree.
Oo, kasi pag bata tayo at 20, we feel invincible eh, no? Like, puyat ako at 3 hours sleeping, I'll work and I'll party and I'll work out and I will still wake up beautiful and fresh.
Ngayon, hindi
Age
na.
natin, 3 araw na akong tulog eh. Wasak pa rin. Ang pangit ng skin ko.
We have to rely on skincare now.
Yeah.
Kung ako naman, reflection, no? So, as you mentioned, siguro, if you are to impart nga habits, creating habits, physical or to be strong, ano, ako naman, everything impartial. When you're young, hindi yung kain.
Laklak ng...
So, ang nangyayari, na hindi na ako natigil sa kain, dire-diretso. So, everything has to be in moderation. Fitness, gimmick night out. And kasi ngayon,
that's right.
as kanina, we mentioned, kahit lumabas tayo ng lumabas every night when we were younger.
That's
Maganda
right.
ng balat natin, maganda yung gising natin. But ngayon, parang, if I go to the grocery, yun na yun, that's it. Hindi ko na kayang lumabas.
Yes.
So, yun nga, we enjoy but in moderation. When you were younger, siguro yun dapat yung ginawa ko. Kasi pagoda din ako nung bata ako.
Ako I mean, it's an open book. I had the bi-curious face. I thought I was a lesbian.
What?
Not. I like pototoy. But I tried, right?
You tried.
Yeah. Ngayon kasi, it's very open. Like, ang dami na ngayon.
So, parang nagka-self-discovery ka at that time.
Oo.
And then you discovered that you like men
After all.
after all.
Oo.
So,
So,
meaning
dear
you've tried
20-year-old self,
Oo.
it's okay to be, or 15. Actually, early teenager ako nagkaroon mga high school, di ba? Wala naman tayo nakikitang boys no dahil puro girls school tayo, di ba? So, ang crush mo na lang yung ka-schoolmate mo.
Na
or
mukhang
yung-
lalaki.
Na mukhang lalaki, pwede ka na, di ba? Pero, and I thought I was gay. I wasn't pala. So ngayon, yung...
Paano mo nalaman
Na ano?
na hindi pala? How did you...
Eh di nung naglandi
Realize.
na ako, girl.
So, nung nakakita ka na
ng
ng
lalaki. Na-type ako, na mistiso. Oh my God, ba't ako type nito? Mo nga akong lalaki. Diba? Weirdo. But, so, I guess...
So, the difference is...
our 20-year-old self, not just my 20 or my 15-year-old self, if you're uncertain of who you are, it's okay. But don't let your feelings define you. Okay na, ay, lesbian pala ako. Maybe you're not. Pero hindi ko sinasabing you are yung non-binary na parang 1,000, ilang...
Hindi ko na naiintindihan. You have to explain that to
Ito
me.
yung makakancel na ako eh. At dito naramdam ko na.
Non-binary na to?
Hindi ba yung gender ba yon? Or, diba? Ang
Ang
dami ng gender, hindi na lang babae at lalaki. Meron ng non-binary, merong whatever. Ang dami na nila.
Okay, and you're saying it's okay to explore just like
It's
what you
okay,
did?
but don't define yourself na she, her. Tapos tomorrow, they, them na ako.
Stick to one, is that what you're saying?
Oo, stick to the biological.
The biological or to
In between your
whatever it
legs.
is that they feel
Well,
like?
you know what? You can have a vagina and like girls, and that's fine. Or a vagina and like girls and boys, that's fine. Diba? Pero yung, eto na, malapit nyo na ako i-cancel. Ramdam ko na.
Wala akong ma-share masyado.
I would always,
Okay.
dear 20 or 15-year-old self, it will change. So, don't declare that I am this for the rest of my life.
Oo, and you're forced to be that.
Oo. But stick to your gender at birth.
Yan ang recommendation.
Kung kifi yan.
Okay.
Pero kung gusto mo rin ng kapwa kifi, carry pa rin.
Okay.
Diba? Or tomorrow gusto mo, nota naman. No problem.
Choose your partner that can help you go through the stages. Apparently, dito lang natin na-realize, ang dami palang stages ng women, di ba? As I mentioned in the previous episodes, for women, there's puberty, magme-mens ka, napakahirap
years.
din, manganganak ka, may postpartum pa in some cases. So, you have to choose a partner that will
Natitiisin ka.
na
in all of the
kakayanin
pain
lahat ng
stages.
changes in your hormones, kasi mahirap na wala ka pang partner na
Pero it's
supportive.
not enough na titiisin ka.
Right?
Kailangan
Supportive.
katulong mo sa buhay, support.
Yes, hindi yan siya ako for my husband for instance, no. So when I gave birth, hindi siya parang ikaw na lahat because you're the mom. Hindi, hati kami. You know what yung style namin. Anything out, siya in charge. Anything in, ako yung in charge. Meaning, in na breastfeeding, feeding, anything to do with the, siya naman out, wee-wee,
oops.
poop, and all that. Hati kami doon. So, pareho kaming contributor in that
Child-rearing
stage. Because
tasks.
pareho tayo doon eh. So, not a lot of Filipino men.
Before,
Would-
siguro
that, ha?
meron pang remnants ng Gen X na ganun. Pero I think ang millennial men and Gen Z men are more mindful, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'm talking too soon, no? Di ba sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, alam mo problema natin, napupusify natin yung mga generation ngayon with all the information, with all the conveniences.
Gusto ko yun, pusify.
Napusify natin sila. Pero pag meron silang drive and grit, brilliant.
Ratchada sila.
Oo,
Correct.
oo. So it's just a matter of finding these kind of individuals and really empowering them. Na you have all this
Through
information
mentorship.
and conveniences to thrive in life.
But sometimes may conflict din, auntie.
Ano yun?
They don't straight out listen to what advice you give them. I've experienced that with my before. So you really have to know them individually. Hindi siya parang one size fits all sort of mentoring.
Keep saying yes. Keep showing up.
Keep showing up.
Okay?
That's a good one.
And if
Yes.
you're tired, everyone's tired. Even if you love your job, it's gonna be shitty.
Correct.
Okay? But you're gonna earn money, right? And money is important.
Correct.
Sorry, I mean,
They're very actually practical.
they're very practical.
That's what I admire
Pero sa
about them.
akin, I tell this to my kids. Keep saying yes to the challenge and then figure it.
And showing up.
And
You're
keep
right.
showing up. You're tired. I'm tired too, but if
You're sad?
you're sad, there'll be more sadness. Don't worry. But it's okay to be sad na may pera kesa wala ka nang ang pera, malungkot ka pa.
Ay, oo nga. Agree.
Diba? Ngayon napapansin ko, ilang araw po yung work from home?
Yun na yung first ano. Kasi nga nag-iba because of the pandemic.
Oo, siguro because of the pandemic, we understand that. Kasi sanay tayong hanggang linggo po nagtatrabaho kami. Without pay.
Well, before the pandemic. Pero aminin mo, ante, nai-enjoy na rin natin ang work
Na-enjoy
from
na ako.
home.
Sometimes, I don't need to show my face. Zoom na lang tayo.
Correct.
Because I don't wanna be...
Or
well, it's a
chat.
good thing, yeah. Pero
Diba?
kasi tayo, we earned it. Sorry, ah.
That's true
Cancel
naman
me
din.
again. We earned it. We earned it. I was from a generation where we literally aged in the car. Driving from one meeting to another.
Oo nga. And
Literally,
parking.
tumatanda kami sa kotse. Looking for parking. Running from one
Agree.
meeting to another, event to another.
Walang
Diba?
zoom-zoom
So, pag
nun
sinabi
eh.
namin yun, we fucking earned it. Kayo, mapagod naman kayo kasi minsan, that discomfort will strengthen you.
That's true.
It's okay to be uncomfortable. And discomfort will make you stronger. Yun lang, bow.
Well said.
So excited! We're happy to have you, Coach.
I'm happy to be here, Karen
Thank you,
and Belle.
Thank you.
Thanks for giving us the honor to be our guest for today because we've been wanting to invite you to our show so you can shed some light. We've been asking a lot of our friends ano ba yung mga questions na gusto nilang tanungin. So we'll tackle that today and I'm sure as a menopause coach, you'll be able to shed some light and give us some information.
And then, of course, if I may interject lang, no, you know, my other half of life is into sports. And you know how much I put reverence on the term coach.
Yes, yeah, you remember
It is
that, yes.
something you live, breathe, and practice.
Correct.
You just don't call yourself coach for being a coach. Otherwise, I'll call you Umas. But I dare say she's the first certified menopause coach.
And an advocate.
And a
For
strong
many, many years
advocate
na rin for
for
women, no?
women in the midlife.
Most women are familiar with just the term menopause. Parang siyang umbrella term, which is a misnomer. Because the whole transition actually has 3 stages, not just 2. There's perimenopause, there's menopause, and then postmenopause.
You're right.
Okay, perimenopause, those are the years leading to menopause. So that's a good 8 to 10 years of
Ang
your
tagal,
life. I know.
Coach.
And we're talking about yung 8 to 10 years of feeling the symptoms itself. And then menopause, yun ang mali. It's just an exact event. That's a very day you haven't had your period for a whole year. So
12
12 months without. And then after that, post na kagad, post-menopause. So
Oh,
yun.
okay. So-
Kaya lang for purposes of easier discussion, most women, menopause na ang tawag.
Kung May 12, 2026, nagkaroon ako, pero 11 months akong wala.
Well, you have to start counting again.
Okay, so it's
I
important.
know.
That's why
That
you
happens.
mentioned.
That really happens.
That's why you mentioned to us earlier na it's important to do journaling. So
Yes.
you can actually can you tell
Journaling,
us how
okay. With my coaches, I encourage them to do journaling. With journaling, it's a lot of aspects. So day-to-day activity, like what do you eat during the day? What do you feel in the morning, kasi iba-iba yan, morning, and then midday, and then evening. And then you also note what were the things you've done. Kasi para you trace all the triggers. It could be coming from food, or the people you have interacted with. So same thing with the symptoms also. You have to journal that as well. So that you know which symptoms become suddenly more intense because of certain things, like maybe something you've eaten, or somebody has triggered you in some way, ganyan.
So it can be person,
Person, yes.
environment,
Correct.
food,
Check.
and other lifestyle.
and of
Check,
course your
check.
menstruation, you have to also be it has to
Yes,
be part
of course.
the journal
The
also.
moment you see your period starting to get very
Light,
irregular.
regular light
Irregular,
or
like
heavy?
you used to be like every month, and then suddenly it's 2 months, 3 months without it. So that could be a sign of perimenopause. And then, as you've mentioned, you're used to having your period light, and then suddenly it becomes
Yeah.
very heavy,
That
or it
happens.
lasts for longer days than
Yes,
usual.
yes, yes.
So yeah,
Oh, that's under peri pa rin.
under peri, not until the 12 months after. So with estrogen being the mother hormone, the other hormones would behave in a way na dependent on that. Like, pag mabang estrogen, so one other organ would try to produce more estrogen, which is the adrenal gland. It would produce more estrogen to compensate. Ang adrenal gland, ang function niya is for adrenaline, and for other hormones, cortisol. So pag nag-overdrive siya, overdrive rin the other hormones that it produces, like cortisol. So kaya nagkakaroon ng weight
Connect
gain,
sila.
stress. So connect siya. Yes,
Okay,
correct.
okay.
That's a great way to say it. But I said there's peri, there's menopause,
And then there's post.
8 to 10 years, some women feel the symptoms, and then post another 8 to 10 years. So when you think about it, there would be women who have the symptoms for a good 2 decades of their life. How sad.
Isn't
How
that
sad.
too much suffering for a lifetime?
Hindi, sabi nga
Which
ni
is
God
why-
sa atin, kaya natin to do, we're women. Ang dami natin kayang
Parang hindi
nalampasan.
fair. Parang there's something.
medyo ano nga siya, merong, if you're gonna think about fairness. But then, I think the hormones, they come and go depending on the stage of life you're in.
Yeah.
Like, you have lots of estrogen during the time na nurturing ka.
Yes.
And you know, I think culturally, I think it doesn't help. As a Filipina, marami tayong narinig na tiisin mo
Ay,
na
correct.
lang.
Yes, correct.
Ganyan talaga.
Normal lang yan.
Matatapos din yan.
That's, I think, with the older generations. Our moms in particular,
our lolas.
Right,
Yes.
right.
You just have to go through
You
it.
have to bear with it. And they don't even talk about it much.
Yeah, actually, pay-pay lang sila.
Pay-pay, and then
They don't
meron silang to wipe. Parang
Correct.
twofold yun eh. When you have the scarf, it's to wipe your sweat.
Right.
Now it makes
And also
sense,
to feel,
no?
when you feel
Yeah,
cold. Kasi
yeah.
may cold flashes din.
Now
Could you
it
believe
makes
that?
sense to us. Because
May cold
growing
flashes na,
up,
oo.
I would see my lola, like, when she puts on her bra, iniikot niya.
Ay, maybe because
Meron siyang frozen shoulder.
frozen shoulder again.
And she
that's
couldn't
another
wear
symptom.
her duster or...
So nakikita nyo lang but really not
Now
talked
it makes
about.
sense.
Hindi siya
Yes.
pinag-uusapan.
They can't really connect na, oh, okay, I'm having pain in my shoulder. Could it be? No, they might think, might have carried something heavy, ganon, or activity during the day that might have caused it. Pati yun, yung frozen shoulder, it's a good thing you brought
Oh, I
that
had
up.
that 2 years ago.
Oh my God.
It was one of the most excruciating.
Ang taas pa naman ng tolerance mo sa
Mataas
pain.
ang tolerance ko sa pain, pero for
Pero
a
for
few
that,
months for me to suffer through that
And
is...
the reason for that, again, estrogen. When it goes down, yung inflammation natin.
Iniiwan na ako ng estrogen ko.
Oo, okay.
Okay, so nag-up yung inflammatory responses of our body. So that
Okay.
includes especially our joints.
Joint pains.
Joint pains, yes.
Okay,
Kaya mga
alright.
sciatica and all that.
Kailangan ba nating tanungin to? Ano to yung...
Sex.
That
Sa sex
one.
naman, 5 cups of tea. 1 cup of tea ba to? What's your answer, Auntie Karen?
Siguro ko 3 and a whole box of lube.
Oo nga. Alam mong dry.
Dryness everywhere.
Ang dryness ay approve ng PAMEC. Ano? Nurses
Self-explanatory pag kayo ay
Correct.
very menopause.
Ako, 3 cups of tea.
Ilang lube na box?
Wala pa kasi tiniis ko lang siya. Tiniis
Well,
ko
let's talk
lang
about that
siya.
later, ha? Let's talk about it
Talk
later.
about that later. How about you, Coach?
Kaya 3.
Yes, it's a 3 now. Nung time na I was working out, sabi ko, humbling experience tong
Rockstar na rockstar ka rin
Yeah,
ko.
it's a 6.
It's
Oo.
6,
When I was
right?
working out, now it's biglang
Wow.
3 with how many boxes of lube?
Uy, ang dami, binilang.
3. Wait, tingnan ko kung
Pinila.
dumating na in-order ko.
Andiyan na yung parcel niya.
You of all people, you know yourself best. So when something's off, alam mo, this is not me.
Correct.
And the moment you know also that this is not me, I'm not going crazy, it's because of the chemical thing, the hormonal,
That's happening.
yes, that's happening.
Yes.
Then, meron kang blame shift. Diba, parang ganon,
Mas
bigla.
maganda naman kasi
Hormone yan.
talaga.
Hormone yan.
It's not me, it's
It's
my
a hormone.
regla that won't go away. Because you know,
Correct, diba?
talaga there was a time, actually much recently, pag may period na naman ako, yung parang yung youngest ko, parang hanggang kailan ba yan?
Diba?
As in literal.
So they have,
Yeah.
it has to come from a place of compassion, a place of empathy, a place of understanding.
Yeah, but at the same time, they're going through a transition if they're in their
Yes. So it has to
teens.
be two-way also.
Yeah, I know. And
So-
then the husband's on andro.
So tayo rin, we have to be conscious about
Yes. Oo, be
Pero
more
dahil
conscious.
show natin to,
sila na mag-adjust.
sila mag-a-adjust sa feelings natin. Diba?
Okay.
So
Sige.
yun, be more
Okay.
mindful.
Okay.
Being
Okay.
more self-aware.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Because when you know, you know.
Yes, correct.
Braving all these symptoms and conquering them, it takes us a special super level power.
And finding out you're not the only one.
And we're not
Yes.
the only one.
Yes.
There's a
Oo,
lot of
that's
us.
Marami tayo. Marami tayo. And we
yes.
hold hands
And we hold
while we
hands.
navigate this stage.
And continue to advocate for us, not only for us, but the our daughters,
correct.
our granddaughters, and the generation after us.
Correct.
We also have our socials. Don't forget to to like and subscribe us. We can be found, of course, in Spotify,
Yeah.
YouTube,
Instagram.
Facebook, and the tag is Auntie Time. And with that,
I'm Auntie Belle.
and this is Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie Time.